A mortgage is a type of loan used to finance the purchase of a property, usually a home. The property is used as collateral for the loan, meaning that the lender can take possession of the property if the borrower fails to repay the loan according to the terms of the mortgage agreement. When you take out a mortgage, you make regular payments to the lender over a set period of time, usually 15 to 30 years. The payments consist of both principal and interest. The principal is the amount of the loan, while the interest is the fee charged by the lender for providing the loan. There are several types of mortgages, including fixed-rate mortgages, adjustable-rate mortgages, and government-backed mortgages, such as FHA and VA loans. The type of mortgage you choose will depend on factors such as your financial situation, the property you are buying, and your long-term financial goals. Getting a mortgage typically requires a significant down payment, a good credit score, and a stable income. The lender will also evaluate factors such as your employment history, debt-to-income ratio, and other financial obligations before approving your mortgage application. Renting is a type of housing arrangement where a person, the tenant, pays a landlord for the right to use a property, typically an apartment or a house, for a specified period of time, usually 1 year. In a rental agreement, the tenant agrees to pay rent to the landlord in exchange for the use of the property. The rent typically includes utilities and other services such as water, gas, and electricity, but this can vary depending on the rental agreement. The tenant is responsible for paying rent on time, taking good care of the property, and following the rules and regulations specified in the rental agreement. The landlord is responsible for maintaining the property and making necessary repairs, but the tenant may also be responsible for certain tasks, such as yard work or paying for certain utilities. Renting is a flexible and often more affordable alternative to home ownership, as it usually requires a smaller financial commitment and less long-term responsibility. However, renters do not have the same level of control over their living space and do not build equity in the property as they do with home ownership.